Now let's see the exercise 3. So we have to divide this one. Okay, so we have to this way, x to the power of 4. Okay, after x to the power of 4 must be x to the power of 3. But this polynomial, we don't have x power of 3. So we have to put that. So how to put that? We have to put as a plus 0x to the power of 3. Okay, because when we put this way, it's very easy for you to solve actually. Okay, and then after x cubed must be x squared. So minus 5x squared and then 6x minus 2. Okay, divide by x squared plus 2x minus 2. Okay, now we start step to solve using the long division. Okay, first step is divide. So x to the power of 4 divided by x squared. Okay, x to the power of 4 divided by x squared, we can get x squared. So we put here x squared. And then x squared here must multiply by this one. So x squared times x squared, we can get x to the power of 4. X squared times 2x, we can get 2x squared. Okay, and then x squared times negative 2 here, we can get negative 2x squared. Sorry, this one x cubed, right? Okay, and then after we multiply, and then we minus. Okay, so when we minus, this one must be 0. And then 0x cubed minus 2x cubed, that means we can get negative 2x cubed. Okay, negative 5x squared minus negative 2x cubed means we can get negative 3x squared. Okay, after that we put down here plus 6x. Okay, and then we repeat again the step. So negative 2x cubed divided by x squared. Okay, so negative 2x cubed divided by x squared. So we simplify, we can get negative 2x. So we can get here negative 2x. Okay, after divide, so we have to multiply. So negative 2x here times with this one, right? So we can get negative 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus, time minus again, positive, right? Plus 4x. Okay, after that we have to minus here. Okay, this one must be 0. And then this one, negative 3x squared minus negative 4x squared means plus. Okay, we can get x squared, right? Okay, this one, 6x minus 4x, we can get 2x. Okay, and then put down negative 2. Okay, repeat again. So x squared here, okay, divide by x squared. So we can get 1 positive, that's mean plus 1. So 1 here times this one, okay, multiply this one, we can get x squared plus 2x, okay, and then minus 2. Okay, that's mean here, after we have minus, we can get 0. So that's why our answer for qx is x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so qx is x squared minus 2x plus 1, and then the remainder is 0 here. So Rx equal to 0.